What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. It's time. It's time. I'd say that a lot, but no, it is time, guys. Last week we pulled the heads off, kind of looked everything over, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pull everything out, re-gasket, reseal, clean, guys. You can see it's filthy under here. It's been leaking for a long time. Chris is a good dude. His car's very clean, and it deserves to be clean, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. So
very nice car.
I mean, it's not like it's a hard job to pull all this out, and it's going to be a little dirty, a little dirty.
We'll need a steam clean.
And then we're also going to get rid of all of this. We're going to get rid of all of this because I don't know about you, my OCD is killing me with all. Yeah. And Chris, I'm sorry for giving you a hard time about all the orange. He did.
Yeah, he did all that orange stuff.
So we're not going to put Chris's information because we don't want anybody sending him hate mail. But he did his best. Now we're going to make it all clean and pretty. So we're going to start slinging some wrenches and get this thing pulled out. There she is. I'm not messing around. All right, guys, real quick. See if the camera's picking that up. Yeah. Bad news. Bad. So let's go ahead and add a clutch. Whew. Yeah, she's gonna need a clutch too, boys. But, you know, part of it. All right, get this dude on the engine stand. You got bolts?
Yeah.
Need a gun? Check this thing out, boys. It was bad. Super bad. We did actually notice ARP flywheel bolts, so I'm guessing this might have been a King Cobra clutch or something because it still said Ford on it. But yeah. There she is. You're unhooked.
Oh, you still didn't let it all the way out.
Do what? Oh, did I not? I thought it was.
It was here. Remember I said go on it?
That's right.
Yeah. It worked. It was on there.
Yeah. Now it's time for do some more dirty work. Whew. Yeah. All right, guys. So here's the situation, and I know this is probably somewhat representative to a lot of your cars out there, and or any project. And you go to pull it apart. You know you're going to do something simple, and as you can clearly see, it's already escalated. It needs a clutch. As you can see, the block is just filled with like muddy old coolant. And this appears to be original. Obviously, gonna pull all this apart, probably go ahead and put a new timing chain, all that. So there's some extra. So also at this point, you're looking at this like, if it's been hot and because supposedly it had head gasket failure, which it didn't look like, it looks like it was just from being clogged up, probably need to go ahead and take everything apart, have the block cleaned, honed, re-ringed. So as you can see, simple job turns into yeah, I mean, again, we say this all the time, and I caught so much flack for telling people there's really no such thing as a budget build. You know why? Because you got a budget until you start tearing into it and you realize you need about,
I mean, you don't have to do all that other stuff. You stick it back together and it's still messed up.
Yep.
You know
Have the same problem again. So that's what I always preach, guys. It's
he's 30 years old now, you know?
yeah. I mean, and you know, that's just what we've found so far. So you got other stuff that's leaking. You know, we got AC lines that we found are broken. So the relevant
trans fluid was terrible looking. So
yeah.
It may need a little work.
Yeah. We don't know. You just never know. So when I try to say, guys, project car, be ready, this is what I'm talking about. So yeah, the other point, Dover, what would you do?
Coyote. You know, you might want to put like a Holly system or something on it. You know,
Yeah.
freshen your wiring up, freshen your computer up.
Right. Because I mean, you look, it's, you know,
like
30-something-year-old wire.
30-something-year-old now, you know.
Yeah, definitely. You know,
it's gonna just be 10 times better doing something like that. You know?
mm-hmm.
You ain't got to spend the money, but you know,
Yeah.
you're gonna have something better.
Yeah, if you're gonna do all this work, if you're gonna go to all this trouble, do it right. You know, make some upgrades. And
seen a lot of people here lately, you know, running pretty quick with old small blocks.
yeah, I mean, they
that's
do.
because they ditched the stock stuff
Yeah.
with the Holly system. You know, I mean, just
These computers were designed in like 85, 86,
Yeah.
you know, and we're still trying to.
the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah, we're trying to put modifications and go fast in 2020 with these same computers. I mean,
you know, it's like saying, you know, it works, but your stock heads work.
Yeah,
You know what
your
I mean? Are
stock
you
heads
gonna
work.
leave them on there?
stock intake worked, your stock gears worked. All right, boys, we're gonna get her pushed out and kind of get a game plan together here on this little small block. How bad is it?
That's a goop in there.
Oh yeah,
Pretty nasty.
jeez,
Looks like old sand, don't it?
the gritty.
Just muddy. Yeah. Nasty.
Yep.
Lots of it in there.
I mean, you can try and flush this,
look at
but
the little piece.
oh my god. Yeah.
That much more. Just ain't sticking to it. There we go. A little stop, leave shit in it.
So this block needs to be hot tanked.
Yeah.
So there you go, guys. I guess we're going to end this one here. But
To be continued.
to be continued for sure. I guess probably going to go full bore. Just strip the entire thing and send it away again. I mean, it's out. Do you have to do this? No. Are you going to put a problem back in? Yes. So I guess at this point we're just going to do it right. And
Take water hose in it.
yeah, you could, yeah. There's a million ways you could try and do it, but best way, especially with it having run hot, guys, is just do it right. So that's what we're gonna do. So, guys, hope you enjoyed this video and doing small block things. Oh, you guys giving us crap about all the coyote stuff. See, we do small block stuff too. Yeah, guys, lots more coming, I assure you. And hope everybody has a Merry Christmas, or had a Merry Christmas, or will have, depending on when you watch it. And we'll catch you on the next one.